Namaskar, I am Usha Bharti, Principal of Anthem Public School. This school is affiliated to CBSE New Delhi. Our school affiliation number is 3430614 and school code is 66721. Campus is situated at Kesura Mode, Sarani Road, near BSF firing range, Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. We have two gates. This is entry gate, and that gate number 2 is the exit gate. Let's move to school campus. Here is Mr. Sunil Kumar, our guard sir, and he is maintaining the visitor register. This is sanitizing process, and due to COVID pandemic, this is compulsory for all visitors to do this process. Let's move to principal office. This is principal office. Now let's move to academic areas. This is our inquiry counter and field counter. Here is Mr. Manas Tulsi, our office in charge. This is our examination department. We have fire cylinders installed in each floor and labs also. Total number of fire cylinders we have 16. We have fire buckets also for fire cylinders. Now let's move to maths lab. This is our maths lab. And here is Mr. Santu in charge.
Good morning, madam. Myself, Santosh Kushwaha, is the in charge of Maths Lab. This is our Maths Lab. Welcome to our Maths Lab. This is the stock register and containing the record of all the operators. Total number of operators is 40 and this 700 square feet. Let me introduce about the operators and chart papers which are hanging on the wall. This is the board, and in the board I have written the number system. Number system, that means there are different numbers, and with the help of board I want to explain the students what the numbers are actually. Natural number, that means counting numbers. Whole number, counting number plus 0. Integers, that means whole number plus negative of natural numbers. And let me introduce some chart papers which are hanging on the wall. This is angle, and different types of angles are there: acute angle, obtuse angle, and right angle. Acute angle, that means angle less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle, angle more than 90 degree. Right angle, that means angle which is having 90 degree. Let me introduce about some model of different geometrical diagram like a rectangle, circle, square, hexagon, rhombus, quadrilateral, triangle, and pentagon. And here there are the different operators. This is the counting numbers starting with 0 to 9. These all are shown through the models. And here there are base and place value. That means student can easily understand what is which number is on the ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, like that introductions they can get through it. And this is the abacus, and this can also help the students to get the place value. And some more charts are also there on this one. And here these are the quadrilateral. Related to quadrilateral, what are the properties of quadrilateral? It is shown through the chart paper. Profit and loss. And formulas of profit and loss is also mentioned here. The student can easily learn through it. and this is the properties of circle. And as students know that the radius of circle is equal, and circumference of circle is 2 pi r, and area of circle is pi r square. And this all about the maths lab. So very thanks for visiting the maths lab. Thank you.
तो मैं डायरेक्टली बता दूँ से ज़्यादा स्टाफ है geography lab. This is our geography lab. She is Miss Aditi Sinha, lab in charge. She is maintaining stock book also.
Good morning, ma'am. I am as a PGT Geography Lab in charge in Anthem Public School. That in their classroom and they used for their material. This is our working models, just see. And our topic is as a solar system. This one is a good example and a model, standing model which is used in our school. This is the season, how our earth changed our season. Now, the standing board, volcano, season, rotation and revolution. See, this is a very good example. Students should be captured here.
Display board and very good things are in here. This is very good for students also. Okay, let's move to our washroom area, girls toilet and boys toilet. So this is girls toilet. In this room, 2 urinals, wash basin, dustbin, and 2 WCs at least. Hand wash. There is also taps and drinking water. This is boys' washroom. He is Mr. Raja Kumar, our computer lab in charge and computer teacher also.
Good morning, myself Raja Kumar. I am computer lab in charge. We have 20 computers in our computer lab, and our computer labs cover 600 square feet. And for net, we are using Geophy along with D-Link switch, and we are using Windows 7 as our operating system. And we have also a printer. And now we have also a big TV for displaying storytelling, and there are some cassettes of storytelling. Now we have also some charts in our wall of computers and its parts, and this is a stock register of computer lab in which all items are maintained well in a well maintained way. And now this is our blackboard where I put estimate codes to teach the students about this. Thank you.
And here is Mr. Vinod Kumar.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning.
मैं विनोद कुमार सिन्हा, स्पेशल एजुकेटर। ये हमारा सीख रूम है। यहाँ बच्चे आते हैं तो किसी भी तरह की उन्हें परेशानी होने पे यहाँ पे उनको राहत दिया जाता है, और उनको फर्स्ट एड की व्यवस्था यहाँ पे है। अगर ज़्यादा कुछ समस्या होने पे तो फिर उनको डॉक्टर से संपर्क करवाया जाता है। ये सर, उसके लिए कॉटन, डिटॉल।
This is our art and craft room. She is Mrs. Indrani Sharma, our art and craft teacher. Good morning, ma'am.
मेरा नाम इंद्रानी शर्मा है। मैं बच्चों को क्राफ्ट सिखाती हूँ, और सप्ताह में हर वर्ग के बच्चों के लिए 1 घंटे मिलता है क्राफ्ट के लिए। मैं बच्चों को क्राफ्ट बनाना सिखलाती हूँ और मैं इस विद्यालय में क्राफ्ट टीचर के लिए नियुक्त की गई हूँ। 1 से लेकर 12 तक को लिखते हैं बच्चे और सुंदर ढंग से उसको सजाते हैं और उसको फिर यह घड़ी का रूप देते हैं और फिर मैं इसको अपने क्राफ्ट रूम में रखी हूँ।
Class 9. He is Mr. Amit Upadhyay, our social science teacher. He is taking geography history.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Amit Kumar Upadhyay, TGT teacher in this school and the class teacher of 9th. In this class, there are total 20 students, number of boys 26 and number of girls 14. Due to COVID epidemic, I am taking online classes. In this class, today's topic subject geography. Subject geography and topic is India, size and location. Thank you, ma'am.
This is our class 8. He is Mr. Rajendra Kumar, our maths teacher and class teacher of class 8.
Welcome in my class 8. I am Rajendra Kumar. Here I am TGT teachers. I studied mathematics and due to COVID, I am taking online classes.
This is class 1. She is Miss Neetu Kumari, class teacher of class 1.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Neetu Kumari, NTT teacher, the class teacher of class 1. There are 28 students in this class. The number of boys are 18 and the number of girls are 10. Due to COVID, I am taking here online class. My subject is maths and topic is addition of two-digit numbers.
This is class 2. She is Mrs. Anita Lal, our class 2 class teacher.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, मैं अनीता लाल प्याटी शिक्षिका हूँ। मैं कक्षा 2 की हिंदी विषय की शिक्षिका हूँ। मेरी कक्षा में कुल विद्यार्थियों की संख्या 32 है, जिनमें बालकों की संख्या 18 और बालिकाओं की संख्या 14 है। कोविड के कारण हम लोग ऑनलाइन क्लास करवा रहे हैं। आज मैं इन बच्चों को हिंदी पाठ्य पुस्तक से पाठ 3 पढ़ा रही हूँ।
This is class 3. She is Miss Chandrima, class 3 class teacher.
Hi, good morning, ma'am. I am Chandrima, PRT teacher. I am teacher of class 3. The total number of students are 38. The boys are 22 and girls are 16. Due to COVID, I am taking online classes. My subject is
Class 7. She is Mrs. Sushma Kumari, our 7th class teacher.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to our class. I am Sushma Kumari. I am TGT teacher. I am class teacher of class 7A. Total number of students are 40. Number of boys 22. Number of girls 18. Due to COVID, I am taking online classes. My subject is English and the topic is the mosquito and the Lewis.
This is our second floor washing area and drinking water area. Here 8 taps for drinking water. And this is girls' toilet. Washroom. Let's move to our additional classroom, which are in third floor. This is very beautiful display board which are made by teachers. This is a display board which are maintained by teacher, and here is very good quotation about teachers. Move to our additional classrooms. This is room 1. This is room 1. This is addition number 2. Three, 4, 3 and 4 and 5. In this area, there are more 5 rooms. Display board, which are made by teachers. Also a very beautiful display board, which are made by teachers. This is our music place where students are doing their music classes, and she is Mrs. Seema Kumari, our music teacher.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, मैं यहाँ की संगीत शिक्षिका हूँ और ये हमारा म्यूजिक हॉल है जिसमें यहाँ के कई प्रकार के संगीत वाद्य रखे हुए हैं, जिसमें ये मरकज है और ये चंड है और ये तबला और ढोलकी, ये हारमोनियम जिससे हमारे बच्चे गायकी भी सीखते हैं, वादन भी सीखते हैं, और ये हमारा सिस्टम है साउंड का जिससे बच्चे यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस करते हैं।
This is our library. He is Mr. Pettu Pandey. He is our librarian.
Namaste ma'am and good morning. Welcome to our library. This is our library book accession register. It is clearly designed. This is our students book issue register, and this is teacher library book issue register. This section is course book and textbook. It is designed all subject by subject. This section is Hindi and Hindi grammar. It is completely up to secondary level. It is English grammar. This is also up to secondary level. This is mathematics, textbook and course book. This is also up to secondary level, mathematics, and this is science. This is also up to secondary level. Here is newspaper. This is newspaper stand, and this area is students sitting area. Our library 40 students can sit here. And this is magazines area, and 35 magazines has come in our library every month. There is maths and computers reference books, and this is grammar, literature and Sanskrit reference books. Here is Hindi novels, and here is English story and novels, religious books, biography and psychology and philosophy books. This is English story books and novels. Here is English story and novels. And this zone is digital library zone. Our library, 20 students can sit here. This is our digital library zone.
Let's move to our science lab area. This is physics lab, chemistry lab and bio lab. Let's move to chemistry lab. She is Mr. Rahul Agrawal, our chemistry lab in charge.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself Rahul Kumar. I am PGT in physics. This is our chemistry lab. The area of the chemistry lab is 700 square. This is all the units that set up in the racks. This is beaker in different way. This is wash bottle, reagent bottle, conical round bottom flask. This is the conical flask. This is the volumetric flask and different way. In this rack are the mode and the chemical are separated in this rack. Ammonium carbonate, boric acid, zinc carbonate, benzoic acid, ammonium oxalate, zinc oxide, naphthalene. Sodium acetate, potassium hydroxide, potassium sulfate, sucrose, sodium sulfate, sodium chloride, sodium carbonate, all are chemical in this rack. The lower rack are contains in the measuring cylinder. In this rack, more chemical are separated: magnesium chloride, barium chloride, sodium thiosulfate, sodium sulfate, sulfur powder, ferric chloride, chemical reaction, and other so on. Organic and other material. This is wash basin and more Bunsen burner for heating chemical and other experiment. Some chart paper, the refining of ammonium, sodium carbonate washing. This is our desk and the stock register is here.
Let's move to our biolab. This is Ms. Gauri Kumari, our biolab in charge.
Hello, good morning. Come to my biolab. I am a Gauri Kumari of TGT science teacher of this school. It's our stock register. Here I am mentioning all the models and charts and all other instruments of this lab. Now, here it's a eye. Its diameter is 2.5 centimeter and its weight is 6 to 8 gram. In this chart, we see the circulation of blood, the outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. In the outer ear, we see a pinna, and middle ear we see the students use this lesson when they test something. Now it's a diaphragm and diaphragm, dragonfly, etc. Now we see this. These are a specimen of some living organisms. Here we see earthworm and starfish, prawns, etc. In the uppermost part, we see the cells of the animals, and here we see the lenses and the human torso model. In the human torso model, children can easily understand when I am teach and explain everything. It has a tiny pores which is surrounded by the guard cells, and here we also see some microscopes in these two lines. The area of this biology lab is 700 square feet, and at one time, maximum 50 students are present and do practical in my lab.
This is our physics lab. This is Mr. Rahul Agarwal and this is Mr. Praveen Kumar. They are in charge of this lab.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
This is our stock register for physics lab. All the material that's separated in a proper way. This is our working experiment area. 40 student experiment at once. This is optical bench. This is our physical balance. This is potentiometer. This is our potentiometer, meter bridge and others. This is our apparatus for wind energy. This is the dynamo model. This is the dynamo model. This is the solar fan. This is the rheostat. This is the resistance box. This is our table. This is Ohm's law zero diode apparatus. This is pH Jackson apparatus. This is Ohm's law apparatus. This is the Fleming's left hand rule. This is Fleming's right hand rule apparatus. This is Newton first laws of motion, Newton second laws of motion, Newton third laws of motion apparatus. This is our some chart paper for a steam engine, eye and its defect, petrol engine, magnetism, refraction of a light through lenses, X-ray and other chart paper. Telescope, wave motion, instrument, refraction of light between electric circuit and other way. This is our barometer. This is the some dry cell, a stopwatch, Daniel cell, magnifying glass, prism, glass slab, slotted weight box for physical balance, electromagnet, bar magnet, and other material. In this rack that contains battery eliminator, ammeter, galvanometer, and voltmeter. This rack contains lenses, concave lens, convex lens, concave mirror, convex mirror, and plane mirror. This rack contains a spring balance, vernier caliper, iron string, and other. In this rack contains half a scale, full scale, turning fork, and other material. This rack contains reflection of sound apparatus. This is our magnetic needle, transistor, and Zener diode transistor, and others. This is our drawing board. Our lab area is 700 square feet. Thank you.
This is our ground floor. We have two emergency exits, gate number 1 and this gate number 2. Let's move to our play area and sports area. Sports room. Here is Mr. Manjeet Gupta, our PTI teacher.
Good morning, ma'am, and welcome to our sports room. We have a separate room for junior section and senior section. This is the senior section sports room, and this is the stock register. All the materials, sports materials, are entered here. In indoor, we are having carom, chess, ludo, skipping rope, and in outdoor games, this is the archery and shooting gun, volleyball, cricket, badminton. Now let's move to the junior section. Here are the cricket materials: pad, bats, helmet, carom, and for juniors there is small balls for juniors, rackets. Now let's move to our playground area. This is our assembly area where all the functions are performed there as well as assembly. This is the track area which we had made for the students. This is the Kho-Kho field. Now let's move to the volleyball court. This is the volleyball court for boys and for seniors. We have a separate court for girls. This is our kabaddi court for both boys and girls. So let's move to the cricket court. This is our cricket net practicing court for both boys and girls. This volleyball court is for girls. This is our badminton court for both boys and girls.
Area is for the junior students.
These are our school buses.